Hi, welcome to another Sunnyside design tutorial. We are so excited to share with you today an idea for a Mother's Day gift. We have partnered today with TotallyDazzled.com and we're going to show you a few of their pieces. They have these beautiful rhinestone brooches, slides, and things that are generally used for weddings. Is usually what they market their product for, but today we're going to show you other ways of using this beautiful product.
They have a bunch of different backings on them. So this one has a pin, so you can just pin it as a brooch. This one, I don't know if you can see that, but you would tie it on like a button. Then they have slides. So you would just slide some, ribbon through that. And then they also have some flat backs with nothing on it. So they have a lot of different options. They're very pretty. They're much prettier in person, I must say.
Absolutely, they are gorgeous. If you like a little bling, this is really fun to use.
So we'll show you what we have in mind. Before we get started, we just wanted to show you some of these beautiful pieces we have. We actually got some mixed packs. This one was rose gold. They come in silver, and you can get them with just rhinestones, or you can also get them with rhinestones and pearls. We have so many fun ideas to use these cool Totally Dazzled products for. Today we're going to make a cool bookmark that any book lover would cherish. So this one that we're going to use today has a pin on it. So we're going to take our needle nose pliers and just pinch the sides, and it's going to just pull right off. So now we essentially just have a flat back pin. Then we also have a ribbon pinch clasp, and you can get these in a variety of sizes, so you can make different widths of bookmarks. And then we have some jump rings. So what we're going to do is open up a few jump rings, attach them to our jewel here, and then we will attach them to this clasp and our ribbon, and we will have our bookmark. Let's show you how it's done. First, we are going to measure out our ribbon. We found this beautiful teal ribbon at the dollar store of all places. It's kind of a satin finish, and it's shiny on both sides, so we really liked that. So once you have it cut to length, we did about 10-11 inches so it can stick out of your book. And then we will use 2 pair of needle nose pliers to get this clasp on the end. Now we're going to secure this clasp to our ribbon. You can see that it's open pretty wide right here. So what we like to do is take a pair of needle nose pliers to begin with and just kind of pinch it closed most of the way. It's just a little bit easier to get your ribbon in there. And once the clasp is closed most of the way, I'm going to just put it in my needle nose pliers to hold it there for me. And then I can slide it in the ribbon in, make sure it's centered, and then squeeze it closed. Do both sides here just to make sure it's nice and secure. And that part is finished. Next, we are going to secure 3 jump rings onto our jewel, and then we will attach it to the clip. So to do this, we've found it's easiest to use 2 sets of needle nose pliers, and you have to find where the split is. And then you just want to turn it just a little bit. You don't pull it apart because that's a little bit harder to get back together. So just twist it to both sides, and then we're going to put it through our little jewel. Before I close this, I'm going to put our next ring on. Oh dear. You feel like a little surgeon. I don't know, I do. And then you just squeeze it right back together. So we have 2 on there now. We will open up the third and get that on there. So this is super easy to do. I mean, you do have to have a little bit of patience because it's hard to work with small little parts, but it's super easy to do. Make sure you're putting it on the right one. Now we'll just close it back up. Oops, but I didn't want to. I'm just kidding. Now, we're gonna put it on here and close it because that's how fast and quick this craft is.
Fast, quick, and easy.
Yes, thank you, my little miss. So here we have the finished bookmark. Isn't that gorgeous?
Isn't that pretty?
I love it on black.
Beautiful. And we do have our little helper here with us today, little miss. She's been making bookmarks as well. This is a really fun job or a project even for the kids to do.
Yep, do this while you're cooped up at home. You can make a lot of bookmarks.
Aren't these gorgeous? Can you believe that we made all of these bookmarks in just a matter of a few really minutes? In less than a half hour, we were able to make all of these beautiful bookmarks that will be wonderful gifts. Have these beautiful rhinestone brooches from Totally Dazzled got your creative juices flowing? Have you been thinking of different ways that you could use them in your home with home decor or embellishing different items? Please comment below. We would love to know how you plan on using these. We have been thinking of many ideas in our homes. We're anxious to try them on a few home decorating pieces, so stay tuned for those ideas coming up. But please comment below if you have some ideas. We would love to hear from you. And you can find the link again for Totally Dazzled in our description there, and I hope that you will give them a try. Did you just love that? Isn't this kind of a fun gift to make for someone?
So fun, so easy.
So easy, and I mean, I would love to have this for myself.
Yeah, they're gorgeous.
Makes a beautiful gift for someone.
Okay, so we've already told you we have a couple of other fun ideas to use these fun gems for. We have created a printable here that we are going to be using for a printable you can do for free. That is for Mother's Day. We have used the slides for this one. Just put a piece of ribbon through there. And then we did same width of ribbon, but a different size slide. So you can kind of see how the ribbon gets ruffled a little different, but these are super,
perfect for Mother's Day.
Really easy, very inexpensive. They're pretty.
Yeah.
Moms would love those.
Yes, makes a beautiful little gift.
So we have one more idea. She's gonna tell you.
And so on Thursday of this week, we will be showing you one more idea of ways to use these little gems as a gift idea for Mother's Day. So we're going to have 3 different ideas for you to use them for Mother's Day.
They're all pretty easy, inexpensive.
Yeah, Totally Dazzled. Their products are beautiful. We're going to have the link to their site in our description, and there will also be the link to our website in our description if you want to see step-by-step photos of what we did.
Yep, so be sure to watch for that as well. Just a couple other things about the company. They're here locally in the US, so shipping is super quick. Their quality is really awesome.
Beautiful.
They don't have a minimum order, so you could buy one jewel if you wanted, or you can buy 1,000. So they're really nice, and they're really helpful to work with, and we've loved them so far. So make sure to keep your eye open for Thursday's video, and we'll put the links in the description below. Make sure to check out our blog post with, again, the step-by-step still photos so you can see a little bit closer what we're doing, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification so you know when our new ones pop up, and all our social media links are on there. We're just glad to have you here. Oh, also, these are all you can do this all from home. You don't have to leave the house for the store.
You
If you need
don't.
to buy anything, you order online. So
Yeah.
they're perfect for quarantine time.
Yes, yes, you could get all of these little parts just really simply, and we just used ribbon that we had around, so
Yep.
we didn't even go out and go shopping for those.
Yep.
So
So yeah, quick, easy, inexpensive ideas that you can do from home. So it's nice
Right.
to not have to worry about that. So thanks for watching, and as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.